Dear friends, in class 9, 6th chapter is lines and angles, and in exercise 6.1, sixth question is, sixth problem is, or sixth example is, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Now see how this can be solved. Angle XYZ is a 64 degrees. So you can consider this angle XYZ as 64 degrees. Then xy is produced to point P. Please note, xy is produced. This xy is produced. Produced means increased in backward direction. So if it is, this is increased to point P. If xy is produced to point P, draw a figure from the given information. So we have to draw the figure from the given information. So if we are given that xyz is 64 degrees and xy is produced up to point P. Then next, if ray yq bisects angle zyp, this angle is zyp, please understand. Zyp means this angle. Ray yq. Now this angle is bisected by yq. So ray yq bisects this angle zyp, means it makes two equal parts. This angle and this angle is equal. So ZYQ and PYQ are congruent angles or equal angles since YQ bisects ZYP. We are asked to find XYQ, that is XYQ. We are asked to find this angle total. X, Y and Q. We are also asked to find reflex angle QYP. So for this, let us first find QYP. QYP is this angle. QYP is this angle. And we are not asked QYP, but we are asked reflex angle. Reflex angle means this opposite. This total angle is asked. Understand this. So we are asked, first question is this angle, and the next question is we have to find the reflex angle QYP. Now this figure I am changing just for your understanding. Instead of taking this xy line like this, I will take xy line like this, horizontal. So I will get xy line something like this. This is an xy line, and xyz is 64 degrees. So I am taking xyz this side. xyz is 64 degrees. This angle is 64 degrees. Then we are given that ZYP, YQ, Z, X, Y and P is, XP is the line. Please note, XP is the line. We are given ZYP is bisected by YQ. So I will get the figure something like this. Try to understand, both figures are one and the same. I have just rotated it, so that we will get a line and you will be able to understand more properly. Now understand. These angles are congruent. These angles are congruent. That is, ZYP is congruent to ZYQ is congruent to PYQ since YQ bisects. So let us write the given things. Given. I am erasing this part. We are given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Then we are given that XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. Then figure we are drawn. YQ bisects ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, and we are asked to find XYQ. So for this solution, let us start. Now see, angle XYZ plus PYZ is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is angles in linear pair. This angle and this angle is, sum of these angles are 180 degrees. They form a linear pair. So I will get angle XYZ plus angle PYZ is equal to 180 degrees. Understand this, PYZ plus XYZ is equal to 180 degrees. Reason is angles in linear pair. Angles in linear pair are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degrees. Now XYZ is known to us. So 64 plus angle PYZ is equal to 180 degrees. It means angle PYZ is equal to 180 minus 64, that is equal to 10 minus 4 is 6, 1 carries, 8 minus 1 is 8, 1 borrow written, so you will get 8 minus 7, 1 and 116 degrees. So PYZ, angle PYZ is equal to 116 degrees. We have got PYZ, but YQ bisects. We are written here, YQ bisects angle ZYP or PYZ. So I will get equal angles. It means angle PYQ is equal to ZYQ. Angle PYQ is equal to angle ZYQ is equal to 116 upon 2. Please try to understand this, because the reason is the YQ bisects. So this is equal to 58 degrees. Please note, I have got this angle also 58 degrees and this angle also 58 degrees. Now we are asked to find angle XYQ, means XYQ. This total angle is asked. So total angle is 64 plus 58. Since they are adjacent angles, we can add. So angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. ZYQ. Reason is adjacent angles can be added. Adjacent angles. So this is equal to 64 plus 58. 64 plus 58. You will get 8 plus 4, 12. 1 carries. 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 122 degrees. So we have got angle XYQ is equal to 122 degrees. Now we are asked to find reflex angle. Reflex angle QYP. This is QYP and it is 58 degrees. We are written PYQ is equal to 58 degrees. Now we are asked reflex angle means this total angle, only excluding this. So reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 minus angle QYP. So this is equal to 360 minus 58 degrees. 60 minus 58 is 2, 300 as it is, so I will get 302 degrees. So reflex angle QYP is 302 degrees and angle XYQ is equal to 122 degrees.